Now to start plank here, you have a groove and then you have the tongue. Now you always want to point the tongue towards your starting wall, and you always want to work away from the groove as much as possible. So that means we'll work away from the groove this way, and the groove here will work towards that way. So this is a drop and lock, so I haven't pounded this part together yet. Now the rest of this is a tongue and groove. And so what I like to do is I'll take a piece and I'll just put it together like this so that I know that I have this straight with this piece right here, and then we'll just continue down doing that same thing. And I'll lock it together. Now you can see I'm leaving a gap here between these two. I don't need these to be together yet. The goal is we're just trying to get these planks straight. Now I want to finally cut this last piece right here. All I do, you can see here's the groove. Here's the groove right here on this plank. Just reverse it. Put it up against the wall. Make sure you leave an expansion joint. If your sheet rocks up off the floor, it can go underneath it, which this is. So we're gonna go under a little bit. Okay, so now we'll get this into position, and then I'll just take this piece so I can get this so it's perfectly straight too.